Hi you all color and fashion lovers, this is Smita again from Calabar, and we'll talk about a new latest technology filled lipstick which is Creme Touch. It's super luscious, it's super creamy, it has loads of vitamin E for nourishment and antioxidant benefit. It has almond oil and jojoba oil for yummy, soft, protected lips. It also has shea butter for that buttery soft feel, and also of course nourishment and protection. And on top of everything, it has SPF 15, which gives you a high amount of sun protection. No other lipstick in the industry has SPF 15 to take care of your lips this way. And besides the 12 shades that we had launched before, we are now launching 6 new shades of Creme Touch to go with the latest trends again. The latest trends, of course, as you know, is tangerine, is pink and mauve, which really has caught on this season. So we have launched 2 different shades of oranges. One is a bright orange, which is Tangerino, loved by everyone, I'm sure. And the other is burnt orange, because there is a tonal difference which we wanted in orange to cater to all the skin tones of Indian women. And of course, as you know, Calabar believes in bringing trends which are as per the mood boards, which are as per the color trends of the season, and also within the portfolio we make sure that you can do a complete makeup with the products that we launch and the shades that we launch. So to remember, I talked about Cocktail Brights last time, wherein we talked about bright orange nail enamel, and now we have bright lipsticks to go with them. And we also already have blushes and eyeshadows which can complete your look with the orange palette. We also have beautiful mauves and pinks, like an oriental mauve, which is a pinkish mauve, and we have launched a frisky pink, which is a neutral pink kind of a color, again goes very well with Indian skin tones. So we bring in, as I said, international quality products which is full of skincare benefits, and the beauty of Calabar is it matches the skin tone of Indian women, and we take care of the fact that the colors suit all Indian women. We have this beautiful jewel pink, and as I talked about the Pink Lady Cocktail Bright pink shade before, this goes beautifully well with it. So you'll see the shades go very well with nail enamels that we have, and we already have blushers and eyeshadows and eyeliners and mascaras to go with the complete look, which can give you a complete beautiful look, lady. Enjoy the new shades.